Hello friends, welcome to Computer Tech CST276, a YouTube channel for learning C and C++ programming language from beginning to advanced level. And this language helpful for you for learning any kind of programming language. And in today's video, we will calculate the sum of odd number with the help of a C language code. Odd numbers are those whose remainder is always 1, and odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. And how to calculate the sum of these odd numbers we will see in program. Now let's start our video. Fellows, these lines are the essential line for writing any kind of C program, as we have already told you. And to calculate the sum of odd numbers, I need three variables: one for starting position or starting number, and second for ending number or limit. Up to we want to calculate the sum of odd numbers, and third variable where we store the sum of numbers. Now int I as a counter, limit that is entered by the user, and sum, this is the variable that store the value. I equal 1, I initialize because I want to start sum from 1, and I initialize sum equal 0, and printf, enter the upper limit of numbers for odd number sum. Scanf %d, I put limit and I place address operator. I will use while loop for the sum of odd number while I less or equal limit. Now this is the body of while loop. Now if I use a condition, if I remainder to equal 1, then this is the body of decision construct or decision structure if. Now I write sum equal sum plus I, now I write increment in the counter, in counter of loop. I is act as a counter variable for the loop, and limit is the ending number. This line is inside the body of while loop, and this line sum equal sum plus I, this line inside the if structure, and these lines are the part of while loop body, and I plus plus also the part of while loop body. Now I'll type printf sum of odd numbers equal %d. %d is the format specifier that brings the value of variable. Now I put sum. Now I use F11 key to check the answer. I press F11 key to check the result on the screen. Now I enter 10. Now look at the screen. I have a result. Sum of odd number is 25. I is lesser or equal limit. Now it include the limit number also. It also include the last number. Now once again I recompile the program and I give 50 check the result 625, and after pressing an escape key I turn to code. Once again I press the F11 key. Now I give 100 to see the result. It is a 2500. Press F11 key to go back to code. This is the code of our program in which we calculate the sum of odd numbers, and if we want to show what are the odd numbers, from where they start and from where they end. Our odd numbers are start from 1, and what will be its limit, and if we want to display it starting and ending limit, then how we will change our program. I put %d start from colon ending number is colon %d, and now I put first I have start number, this is I, and our last number is limit, and but this %d brings the answer of sum. Now once again I recompile this code. Look at the screen. I have to put a comma here. Once again I recompile this program. Look at the screen. Enter. Upper limit is I need to calculate sum of first 20 numbers. Look at the screen. Sum of odd numbers start from 11 and ending number is 20, and I enter 20. Look at the screen. Dear friends, I press F11 key to see the result on the screen and enter upper limit of the number. I enter 50. See the result. Sum of odd numbers from 1 to 50 equals 625. This is the result of first 50 odd numbers. I press escape key, return to code. Once again I recompile this program, F11 key. Now I enter only a number is 5. Look at the screen, we have result is 9. Our first odd number is 1 and second odd number is 3 and our third number is 5. It include the 5 because I write the condition here, I is less or equal, it means the limit is included. So in this way the sum of number is from 1 to 5 is first number is 1, second number is 3 and third number is 5. It total sum will be 9. Look at the screen. It's a very easy to calculate by using programming language, or you can write it by using other loop, this program also. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share my videos with your friends, those who want to learn programming language. Thank you so much.